Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to this part of the video where we are given that a tennis court measures 24 meter by 11 meter. So if you are someone who is not very good at visualizing it, the best way to do this would then be just to draw a sketch. So I will have 24 meter by 11 meter actual ground. Then it is represented by a rectangle of 22 cm wide, meaning the 11 meter on the plan itself, it is 22 cm. So this is something we don't know. Okay. So notice how Mr. Tan draw the visualization of this plan. I park the length on the plan with the actual length. So how then do we find the scale? So the scale is simply the actual length is the denominator, the length on the plan is the numerator, but very importantly, the units must be the same. Wonderful, my audience. So it will be 22 cm. My 11 meter, I will convert it to cm. So I times 100. That will give me 1100 cm, and that's what I'm going to divide by. And please press your calculator and you would get 1 over 50. Now, a scale, remember, we can express it in terms of fraction. We can also express it in terms of ratio. So the other possible answer would then be 1:50. Okay? Either one will do. And now that we know the scale, we would then be able to find the length of the rectangle on the plan. Because I know the scale is 50. The actual length is 50 times larger than the length on the plan, meaning I'm going to just divide by 24 meter is 2400 cm, going to divide by 50, and that will give me 48 cm. And we are done with this question. Let's move on to the next question.